You take your meat, whatever you want to cook,
Just throw it on there?
toss it on there, right? So the whole objective is to not overcrowd it with so much meat.
Oh, my thing's small.
Because it's not going to cook. It don't take forever to cook. You only brought two, man. You got to observe it. Well, it don't take long. It's for birds, man. It don't take long to cook none of it, right?
That shit extremely hot?
It's pretty hot.
So where you gonna put that when it's done?
I'm going to go get another plate.
So that's all that is, man. Right? Oh, you got the cook.
Everybody eat out of it, man. It's the whole concept.
That's the garlic.
Yeah, I always do it before. Some places got more stuff. So I'm going to go get a plate so we can put the good meat on.
Alright.
Get 3 plates. I don't want to eat out of that plate.
You a comedian, man. This dude right there. You crazy as hell. Is that soju?
Yeah, you got that, man. I got me on.
Yeah, that's soju. That gotta be, yeah, that's soju.
This man trying to get somebody right. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, thank you, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So as you start cooking, don't do all that. So I just eat.
You got flipping that quick already?
Well, I don't want to burn them. I'm over here trying to show y'all what's going on. Last thing I want to do is
Burn some shit?
my tutorial. I burn them. Y'all cook that stuff, man.
Raw meat, man.
So the vent is going to keep it there. So from there, so what I do, once the meat get cooked, I'm going to cut it up. I'm gonna leave it on there. You start grabbing what you want and put it on.
Okay. And leave it.
And then you take a leaf, all right? Take a little bit of rice, a little bit of the meat, you dip it in whatever sauce you want, put it in there, you roll the leaf up and eat it. So sometimes you might hear people say beef and leaf. That's just kind of like one of the nicknames.
Fucking comedian right here, though.
Hey, you gonna pay for all that, right? you got 58,000 man.
Boy, you an idiot, man. They put you out of jail.
Other than that, that's pretty much how it works. You want to get your